Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
What happens if a cashier's check is never cashed? It's a common question because, unlike a personal check, the money is taken directly from your account the moment the bank prints it. So, that money isn't sitting in your account waiting to be spent, it's being held by the bank. If that check gets lost, destroyed, or simply forgotten in a desk drawer, the funds are in a state of limbo. Let's break down what happens from both sides. First, if you are the person who purchased the check, getting your money back isn't as simple as placing a stop payment. A cashier's check is a guaranteed fund from the bank itself, so they have a formal process to follow. You'll need to contact the issuing bank and start a claim. This typically involves signing a legal document called a declaration of loss, where you swear under penalty of perjury that the check is lost, stolen, or destroyed and will not be presented for payment. Some banks may also require you to purchase an indemnity bond, which is an insurance policy that protects the bank in case the original check miraculously shows up and is cashed after they've already given you the money back. Be prepared to wait. By law, banks can often wait 90 days from the issue date of the check before they have to honor your claim and return the funds. This waiting period gives the original check ample time to clear if it's still out there. Now, what if you're the payee, the person the check was made out to, and you find it years later? The good news is that cashier's checks don't technically expire. They don't have a void after 180 days warning like many business checks. However, after a certain period of inactivity, usually between 3 and 5 years depending on the state, the money is turned over to the state's unclaimed property division through a process called escheatment. If you try to cash a very old check and the bank tells you the funds have been escheat, the money is still yours. You just have to claim it from the state. You can do this by searching your name on your state's official unclaimed property website and following their process to prove your identity and claim the funds. So, the money never just disappears. It either gets returned to the purchaser after a formal claim process or it gets sent to the state for the payee to claim later on. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you understand the process, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more clear answers to your financial questions.